For the past days, rumors have surfaced that the Pi Network core team are having underground talk on when to fix the launching date so all pioneers can already trade their Pi coins. This brings up the day's primary query, which is, can Pi Network coin price rise to $1,000 after it is launched? Will the Pi Network go live anytime soon? When will the launch date be revealed? Stay tuned and watch the entire video to stay up to date on the Pi Network's latest development on it launching and its startup price on launch, guys. I put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch till the end so you won't miss out on any important update. Before we begin, as always, this channel has a daily giveaway of 30 Pi coins. To be that lucky winner, simply comment Pi Network to the moon with the rocket emoji. Again, guys, kindly support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell so you get updated whenever we post similar videos. Without any further ado, let's begin. The price of the Pi token dropped by almost 10% on the previous day, reaching $32 on April 31st during the Asian Pacific session. The price dropped at the same time as a technical setup that might drive it 60% lower with a target price of about $16. But what if the Pi Network's price reaches zero? That will really hit hard. But let's wait and see. The symmetrical triangle technical pattern has been seen on the Pi Network cryptocurrency price chart since April 2nd. Typically, when an asset's price consolidates, geometric triangles are formed, leading to the formation of two converging trend lines with comparable slopes. Additionally, they link the swing highs and lows to avoid sudden breaks in either direction. Notably, the symmetrical triangle foresees a bias once the token crosses one of the trend lines. When it does, the following move must match the tallest possible triangle. The Pi coin price breached the formation support on April 20th and has since fallen roughly 20%, suggesting it may approach the originally suggested $16 goal. The forecast was confirmed when the MACD oscillator entered the negative territory. The Pi coin was trading below its 20 and 200 to 400-day exponential moving averages. Additionally, the token deviated from Bitcoin's bullish trend on April 28th and 29, suggesting that traders may stop buying Pi if the BTC rally lasts. The fall would take place ahead of the Pi Network Open Mainnet's launch, which the Pi project has frequently postponed. The most important question here again is, when will the Pi Open Mainnet be available? Supporters of Pi Network must stay in order to receive confirmation of the opening date for the Pi Network Open Mainnet. In a March 14th YouTube video, the Pi Network founder Dr. Nicholas informed viewers that a few chores needed to be completed before the open primary net could go live. The blockchain platform's accomplishments over the past year were covered in the video. In order to launch the Pi Network Open Mainnet, he described the remaining objectives for the enclosed main netmaster KYC, and develop useful components for the Pi Network ecosystem. He also asked assistance from the Pi community. While this is going on, proponents of Pi Network continue to advocate using the coin to escape poverty and achieve financial freedom. The Pi coin's value can increase to 1,000. Notably, the platform's creators advertised the coin before March 14th's Pi Day, giving the impression that the Pi Open Mainnet would become live. Then, because of social media hype, the price of Bitcoin increased by almost 60% between March 11th and March 14th. However, in the 3 days that followed, the token completely lost all of its gains, proving that the rumor sell the news strategy was effective. In addition, despite the crypto market's general 62% recovery year-to-date, Pi was roughly 91% above its value on January 1st as of March 24th, suggesting investors' interest in the coin. Smaller coins with low supply could be used if the macroeconomic climate and Federal Reserve's fiscal policy lead the digital asset market into another downward spiral. A pessimistic prediction is necessary given the coin's dubious prospects and utility. As of October 22, 2022, the argument over the Pi Network's predicted value has altered. It's true that it is possible. Because there is to this, though I have provided you some facts to assist you make forecasts. Members who were early adopters were the first to be able to buy goods using Pi coin. 500 of them were open at the time, and their trading volume was roughly 4,000. Traded was data relating to the US dollar to the Pi. It ranged from a low of $10 to a high of $100 with an average price of around US dollars per 1 Pi. For those who have successfully passed KYC certification, Pi Network has already finished the initial migration, enabling those who are qualified to buy products from PCM. Each transaction is accessible on the DAP for Pi Network's Discord channel Pi Lifestyle. Due to the high trading volume, it is currently possible to purchase some items from PCM Pi Chain Mall using Pi. However, calculating the precise average value of one Pi requires a lot of work. However, it appears to be trading at a very high price of on average between 0.08 and 3.0 US dollars per one Pi. The basic argument of those who assert that $1,000 will never be reached by one Pi. Their main claim is that one Pi cannot ever equal $1,000 because with 100 billion Pi being issued overall, if one Pi were to reach $1,000 in this state, it would not only far exceed the market capitalization of Bitcoin, but also be impossible to price given the size of the virtual currency market as a whole. The CEOs of the core team, Dr. Nicholas and Dr. Chen, control 20 billion Pi of the total. These two will become impossibly wealthy, hundreds of times richer than the richest person in the world, according to Forbes. If one Pi hits $1,000 in its current state, the value of one Pi will steadily increase if the number of new members rises, while the amount of real distribution stays modest. Although it is still unknown how much supply and demand must exist for one Pi to cost $1,000, the trend is significant. It is therefore impossible to forecast the precise timing, but if the Pi network expands at its current rate of $1,000 per Pi is not improbable. Future decreases in this for the 20 billion Pi share held by the CEO are probably in order. It is unusual for the representative stake to be maintained from beginning to end, as those who have conducted business know. The current representative share is anticipated to eventually decline because shares are frequently allocated to finance future corporate expansion. I'm surrounded by negativity, as many other users are aware, with even my own relatives telling me that the Pi is a fraud and won't be worth anything. Because of this, people won't download the app and take part in the evolution of currency, which indicates that they believe I'm crazy and ignorant. What will occur is, as stated, the last laugh will go to everyone who has been daily investing time and effort into mining Picoin and has nothing but trust and belief in this cryptocurrency. It will take some time, yes, but we shall be rewarded for the time and effort it has taken and continues to take if we have patience and confidence. It will only reach if they become widely accepted and start trading before then and even go above that sum. Anyone who is dubious or thinks it's a con Pi is not a fraud. It is real. To do this, they are making the essential baby steps. Despite the fact that it takes time, don't give up. All will be okay. That's all for today. If you have any business proposal, kindly send us a message in the mail or telegram provided below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell. Thank you for watching.